Born in Brooklyn, New York, Marine Colonel Donald Cook was commissioned in 1957. In December 1964, during a recovery mission for a downed helicopter near Rmbk, Cook was captured and became the first U.S. Marine prisoner of the Vietnam War. Establishing himself as the senior prisoner, he willingly and unselfishly gave his already meager rations and medicine to fellow prisoners. But he died of malaria after being held captive for 3 years on a forced march to a new camp. For his exceptional spirit of loyalty and selfless service, Colonel Cook was awarded the Medal of Honor, making him a Pacific hero.